Hello friends, how's it going? This is Naresh here from NM Global Trades. Welcome to market summary analysis video of April last week, and let's analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty for the upcoming trading session. Also, we will discuss about what happened with respect to our analysis from last week. Just before going with that analysis, what we have expected last week and how market performed, I just want you to watch this clip what I have taken from our last week recording. So right now, compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty is looking good in terms if you are having bullish view. Since clearly we can see some range establishment on Bank Nifty, so mostly and also it closed bullish on bullish side. So mostly if it's getting support from here, so it is a very good and it is going to tag these levels for sure. But we have to get with good price action. That is very important. Okay. And for that, one more point I want to add here. If Bank Nifty or let it be Nifty also, if it don't want to continue that negative move, this low has to be very protected. This low, this particular day intraday low, when it comes to Bank Nifty as well as Nifty, this intraday low has to be very protected. So from now, we should not see it's breaking this low with heavier volumes. Maybe it can form an insider candle, that's completely fine. It can form an insider candle, that's completely fine. Or it can form a higher high candle also. It can break this high also, that is also completely fine. But it should not give up these levels with heavier volumes. Even though it's giving up these levels, it should get buying. Then it's okay. Otherwise, as I said, we can experience this sell-off continuing. Price to reach to these levels. Same with Bank Nifty also. If Bank Nifty is not protecting this low, and if it's trying to break out with heavier volumes, we can expect Bank Nifty to move towards these support zones. Okay. So hope you have watched the last week clip, where I have talked about Nifty and Bank Nifty. So with respect to levels, these are the important support zones. So Nifty or Bank Nifty should not give up these supports to continue further up move. Okay. So you got some pretty much idea on it, like what I spoke over there. So exactly with respect to those levels or that analysis what we have made last week, we will try to see what happened, and we will continue with our analysis for the upcoming week. Okay. So first let's go to, these are the 5 important levels, what we have drawn on Nifty. Also we have Bank Nifty also last week. These are the important levels what we have drawn, and these are upcoming weekly levels. Okay. Upcoming levels for the upcoming trading sessions. Okay. So first let's go to Nifty and let's see what happened. So last time I made video on 19th April after market closing. So we'll just see from 20th April what happened. Yeah. So on 20th April, initially our expectation, market has to open somewhere here, to continue buying, or we have to get support from this to continue buying. But that day market opened huge gap up. It opened above the resistance zone what we have marked, and a good profit booking happened, and finally it reached the support zone what we have marked earlier, and it started closing above that, right? And if you remember in last week video also, that clip what I have attached, so there I have clearly mentioned if Nifty has to continue the downtrend, it has to break these levels with heavier volumes, right? If it has to break and fall off from this low with heavier volumes, and this low should be protective. Also, I mentioned it can form an insider candle or higher high candle also, no problem, but it should not give up these levels. So it can break these levels, but it should not sustain below these levels I have mentioned in that video, right? So exactly that day, that is what happened. So initially, you know, first 5 minutes candle itself, market broke this level. So maybe if market is continuing here down move, then Nifty would have been, I mean, good fall expected on Nifty. But this is, you know, that's what you know, institutions will be doing. This is a, I would tell this is a shakeout for retail traders, right? They would be seeing this support, and I mean, whatever their stop losses, everything they would be placing just below this, right? So that's you know, that is what happened. So people, you know, smart money involved, and they started buying from these levels. So after that day, if you observe, so very goodly, you know, Nifty builded a good price action above those levels, and it started moving up, right? So like this, it started moving up. So after that, if you check, so finally it closed above this crucial zone, that point of time what we had. So next day also it started getting that follow through, and finally at this resistance only it started getting selling, right? So immediately, you know, next day we have seen good gap around this resistance, and it shot up, and finally, you know, it closed above this resistance zone, right? So the market sentiment actually changed. It changed on, frankly speaking, this particular day. This particular day, as it did not give up these lows, I mean, it did not sustain below these lows, and market sentiment has changed to positive again, right? So immediately from every next day, it started getting the follow through, breaking the intraday highs, right? So that is how, I mean, that is what happened today also with respect to market. Yesterday it closed above this resistance zone, and today it got very good follow through, and finally it stopped around these crucial zones, right? So coming forward for coming week, these levels gonna be the crucial levels for Nifty. These are gonna be the crucial levels for Nifty. Mostly my view right now on Nifty, I was looking for some short opportunities. I won't be bullish much on Nifty. If I get some good shorting opportunities, I would be looking to short Nifty right now. Mostly I will avoid buying right at the moment, even though, you know, it started continuing buying moment, because I feel right now the price reached, you know, some certain resistance levels. Because if you observe, like last week also I told, Nifty is forming lower highs format, right? So here it formed a lower high, then again lower high, then again lower high, and there is a lower high again. So this area would be a good resistance area. So that's the reason I was looking for only short opportunities. If it gives some good shorting opportunities, we will be trading shorts. Okay, let's check with Bank Nifty as well. So what happened with Bank Nifty? So Bank Nifty, in that clip what you have you know, watched, I have mentioned, like, compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty we expect, I mean, very good move can happen if it's, you know, getting support from here, right? But on 20th what happened? Let's see on 5 minutes. So on 20th, so as usual, like Nifty also, Bank Nifty opened at this resistance zone, and a good profit booking happened, and finally it closed above that, right? So next day, our expectation on Bank Nifty, we have to get some buying opportunities around these levels, right? Around these levels. So next day, you know, we had some good move happened on Bank Nifty. So with respect to that support zone, and it did not give up this intraday low as well, and Bank Nifty started getting buying over there. So this is the place, we got some good buying on Bank Nifty. And actually this day we have traded Bank Nifty around these levels, I mean around 11:15. After we got some trend confirmation, we have executed our trades. So then finally Bank Nifty met our resistance zone, and with respect to that, as well as it closed above that, so it started getting that follow through, right? So I mean like this Bank Nifty have done. So finally it also traded very good. I mean we got some very good buying on Bank Nifty with respect to our view, what we thought earlier. I mean this day it opened gap up, good profit booking happened. Then after that we started getting some good buying on Bank Nifty. So actually I've traded Bank Nifty on this particular day. My personal trading, like I would tell, I have picked some good banking stocks in my portfolio. So I have invested in some banking stocks like IndusInd Bank and HDFC Bank and HDFC. So we made some good return. Also like ICICI Bank. So we made some decent return on those on positional holding. Okay. So going forward, this is going to be the important levels for Bank Nifty. And with respect to Bank Nifty also, right now I have my view on selling side only. Mostly I was looking for some shorting opportunities around this resistance zone, and let's see how it goes. And we can't always speculate the market. We can have a view, and we have to look it in live market how it's going to happen, and we have to wait for those opportunities. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and see you all in next video. So take care and stay safe.